I finally need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks too. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa, whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a whole supposed to be, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry you do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want 'em to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, 'cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have this doubt to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me?
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by QT Hair. Yes honey, it sounds like cutie, okay? I think their little slogan is be a cutie with QT hair. I like that. I think that's cute because honey, I feel like I'm the cutie and I feel like y'all are cuties, okay? So shout out to y'all for that. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go on their email and give you guys the details and specs. So it says it's QT Ombre Honey Blonde 5x5 short bob 12-inch 180% density wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on their site to give you guys some more details and specs about this unit. So on their site it says brown ombre honey blonde color lace wig short bob double drawn raw human hair density. It says it's available in 8, 10, 12, and 14 inches. If I'm not mistaken, I did say they sent me 12 inches. It's given 12, girl. Okay, your girl probably needed an 8 or a 10, like for sure. I don't have no neck. Okay, so I definitely need an 8 or 10, but whatever, okay? It's available in a 4x4 closure, a 5x5 closure, and it's also available in 13x4 frontal wig. They have it in Ombre 427, which is what I have. They also have Highlight P4/27, Ombre 1B99J, and Ombre 1B30. So those are all the colors and stuff that they have. Now, as far as this wig goes, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, it's a bob. It's a straight bob. I did not expect any other things. I did not get any other things straight out of the packaging. Not to say it. At some point, old girl won't just straight out of the packaging. Old girl did not. Now, this unit did come as a middle part. I decided to do a curved part because, honey, that's what was in my spirit, honey. And you know, I gotta go with what I know, honey. So that's what I went with. Obviously, this unit did come with pre-cut lace, so all I did was first I had to, you know, smooth our girl down, put my headscarf on or my little thing to make sure that it laid on the side that I wanted it to lay in, because it was a little stubborn. Okay, it was like my Taurus baby here. Okay, she was stubborn, but I got her together and laid her down to the side that I wanted her to lay, and did my little C part, and then I did use my adhesive to adhere it. Now granted, I feel like with this wig it would be really comfortable to wear it without any adhesive. I decided to apply adhesive because, you know, I'm an adhesive girly. Okay, I'm an adhesive girly, but I don't feel like it necessarily needs adhesive, if that makes sense. As far as it being big head friendly, I feel like you can make it work across the board, but I do feel like it is more big head to large head friendly than small to medium friendly. I also want to throw in there are no combs in the front, but there is a comb in the back, and it does have that detachable elastic band. So that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as the full 360, then please continue to watch. So we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. Y'all excuse my missing nail, and it's my bird, like I need that nail. So we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end with a high note. My con with this unit is gonna be, honestly, I don't particularly love the transition from the dark root to the blonde root. It's not so bad on this side, but on this side it just feels very harsh. So that is going to have to be my only con with this wig. My pros are, I love, it's the perfect summer bob in my opinion. I love this color. You guys know I live for a good honey color. I love it, and I love a good brown root. I also love this bob, even though I would prefer it a little shorter because I have a very short neck. I also love this bob in general, just like the bob is bobbing, girl. Okay, oh girl came out bobbing, so I love that as well. I love how easy it was to apply. I love that the lace didn't need to be cut, and I could just slap old girl on my head and get on down to business. So those are my pros. So yes, I would recommend this wig, even though I said like on this side I don't like how the color transitions. Over here I do, so I guess it would be a matter of parting, but in general I love the bob. I have already worn her out and I got tons of compliments, so nobody else is worried about the color transition. So maybe it's a me thing. Y'all can let me know down below what y'all think, but the people loves it. Okay, the people loves it. I got tons of compliments, and I was only out for maybe an hour and I got tons of compliments on this unit. So shout out to you, cutie. Okay, shout out to you, QT hair. All right, so yeah, I would recommend this wig. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, sound off down below in the comments. Let me know what you think about this wig. Let me know if it's a look, it's a vibe. If you are feeling it as much as I am, sound off down below in the comments, girl. Shout out to you once again, QT Hair, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit and a direct link to it, I will have it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love folks next time. Bye.
It's a disastrous beauty. Yes, you just came into it. The looks you love completely. Got every style.